And the more difficult one would be, I know Simon attempted to go through the squad. Thanks for that. The Dujuan Richards, he had been a young player who had been brought in the squad last year at the Gold Cup. And at that time, Coach Marion, you were full of praises for the young man. He scored against Trinidad. And at the time, Coach Marion, you had said that this was one for 2026 and beyond. So I'm seeking an answer as to his omission, that he, having been brought in to be developed for 2026 and beyond, and having not had a bad game for Jamaica, the reasons for his omission.
Yeah, it's a good question, and clearly it's good to have this question, just to clarify. He is now at Chelsea. Finally, he had a long time before he went to Chelsea, so he didn't play a lot of matches. Even though we played him, he was not playing regular football at that time, but he has some good coaching, and he was fit, but apparently not much fit. Now he has played some under 19 games for Chelsea, and recently, I think, starting
under 21
last week or 2 weeks ago, he started to play for the under 21. Is starting to score there, so he's growing in this environment, and we love that he went and took this big step. And it's always, how big step is it? Can he grow? But at least you can see now he's starting to play for the under 21s at Chelsea. So apparently he is growing there, getting to know the environment, and it's not like we have forgotten about Whisper by far. But he needs time to adjust and develop, and I think if he continues like this, he will develop. So it's not going to be a long time until you see him back again. But let's give him time to grow and develop in his environment.